Hi Venki, hope you are doing good and good evening. So till now we have completed from FICO enterprise structure to the accounts receivables configurations. Hope you find each and every way to complete all these configurations, right? Yeah. So if you have any doubts, you can just ask me. Otherwise, we will move on with down payments configurations for the vendor. So you don't have any doubts, right? So if you have any doubts, so please ask me and don't hesitate to ask each and every question. You can just ask me, I will try to answer that one. So thank you so much for attending this class. And now I am going to share my screen. Yes. So this is the configurations for, down payment configurations steps for the vendor. Here, the first one is create down payment paid account in general ledgers. The transaction code is FS00 and create vendor reconciliation account in the GL transaction code, that is FS00, and assign these down payment paid account and vendor reconciliation account in transaction code OBYR. Then down payment request. So we need to give the down payment request, that is F-47, and the down payment posting. So whatever we have requested, we need to post, that is F-48. And the next one is rise vendor invoice transaction code FP60 and F-50 43. You know what, Venki? F-43 is for double screen. Okay. Later you will come to know that point. What is the double screen? Why? Because here we will post the entry with posting keys also in the transaction code F-43. And here down payment clearing transaction code is F-54. And outgoing payment is for the vendor is F-53. Here I will going to give you a basic example of down payments for the vendor. Okay, so here the basic example is I have a Tata Motors company. Okay, and you are a customer and you come to my office or you come to my retail house. Okay, so you will ask that I will going to buy one car, that is Tata Nexon car. So that is for 10 lakh rupees. And here we will have one agreement. The company has one agreement, right? So before we buy any item or any car or any machine, so we need to pay one advance amount. We can call it as a down payment. Okay, so on the particular date you will going to pay advance amount for the Tata showroom. Okay, so what is the advance? That is 5 lakh rupees is the advance. So after you get the car delivery, so you will pay, what is the remaining amount that has pended. Okay, so the remaining amount you are going to pay on the delivering of the car date. Okay, so this is the exact example for you on the down payment for the vendor. Okay, so for this we need to create those two GL accounts, that is down payment paid account and also vendor reconciliation account. In the accounts payable configurations also we have created a vendor reconciliation account, right? So here it is not at all required to create a vendor reconciliation account. So that is why I'm not at all going to create a vendor reconciliation account. Here I will going to create down payment paid account, okay, for the vendor. So here I'm giving user ID and password, and the screen, Venki. So here SAP Easy Access, that is, this is an end user. Okay, we don't want to I mean post all those postings here, right? And here we will have transaction code FS00. Okay, so our company code is Sara Exports and Imports. You know what? So we need to create the I mean down payment paid account in which account group. So we need to create that down payment paid account in current assets only. Why? Because it's a down payment for the vendors. So that is why so we are going to create down payment paid account. So here already I mean for all those students I have created so down payment paid account in the previous class. So I will show you how to create the down payment paid account. Go to the create account and here give 200105 and click on the enter. Here the account has already been created. Okay, no issue. So this is the creation and you have to give the GL account and company code, then click on the I mean green mark. Okay, so here go to the type description and account group is you can just take current assets, loans and advertisements, and this GL is related to the balance sheet account. Why? Because it's a current asset, right? So that is why here you can just create in the short text field give down payment paid account, and in the GL account long text field you can just give down payment paid to the vendor. Okay, then go to the control data tab, and here in the account currency you can just give INR. Why? Because so we are dealing with the customer in Indian only. I mean the currency is INR. You can just drop down this option, go to the find option. Okay, give the INR. So here you can just take INR. Okay, that is Indian rupee. Then coming to the reconciliation account for type. So why we need to give vendor reconciliation account here? Why? Because I mean this is a special GL, right? Special GL means what? Down payments. Down payments for the customers, down payments for the vendors. So when you give this reconciliation account, I mean in the transaction code, that is OBYR, in that we will give this reconciliation account and also this down payment paid account. Okay, I will show you. I mean in the OBYR transaction code we will going to do that one. Okay, so that is the importance of this field. Okay, then same thing, line item display, sort key, posting it, then go to the create bank interest. Here this is a reconciliation account. We need to give the reconciliation account. Why? Because it is interlinked with the OBYR transaction code, that is special GL transaction code, right? And go to the field status group and here take out the Z067. This is the reconciliation account, right? Yes. Then go to the save button and save it. Then go back to this option. Okay. Yeah, we have created down payment paid account already in the accounts payables configurations. Okay, so we have created a vendor reconciliation account only. You know what? I will show you uh, where we have created this vendor reconciliation account. I mean in the current liabilities only. So we have created this vendor reconciliation account. Okay. So for your reference only, I will again give you a brief explanation about this one and go to the create option. Here give the date, that is 100500. Okay, so this account is already existed. So you are new to this I mean SAP, right? And you know what, you are creating all this FS00 general ledgers accounts and all. So don't confuse. I mean when you take all these accounts, don't confuse. Okay, so give brief short text for the vendor reconciliation account, so that I mean you will come to know, yeah, this is the vendor reconciliation account. When you drop down this any option, you will know this is the vendor reconciliation account, like that. Okay, Go to the transaction code OBD4. I will also show you. Yeah. So this is the GL account groups, right? Give your chart of accounts. SAR1 is your chart of accounts, right? Here there is a current liabilities account group is there, and this account group is started with 1000500. Okay, and it is ended with 100,599. Here you can create 599 GL accounts for this group, current liabilities and provisions. Okay, then just go back to the transaction code FS00. Here in the current liabilities, I am taking vendor reconciliation account. You can just go to the create option and you can take that what is that starting account 100,500, right? Yeah. So this is the 100,500, and in the control in chart of accounts, you can just go to the account group, current liabilities and provisions, and in the short text you can just give for vendor reconciliation account, and GL account long text also vendor reconciliation account only. Why we need to give a vendor reconciliation account short text briefly? Why? Because when you go to the any transaction code, okay, suppose vendor down payments assigning transaction code is there, that is OBYR. So in that you will know, if you give the brief short text vendor reconciliation account, you will know. Otherwise, if you give vendor RE account, you will not know what is this account, right? So now what is this account that purely describes, and when you give the short text clearly, you will know. Go to the control data tab, give the currency, and here this is a reconciliation account, right? So that is why in the reconciliation account we are taking vendors, and go to the create bank interest. So this is the reconciliation account, and the field status group is reconciliation accounts, and we no need to give anything. Why? Because we haven't created automatic payment program, I mean bank accounts and all. So that is why it is not at all required to give a house bank and account ID also. Okay, then just go to the save button and save it. Yeah, so we have already successfully created vendor reconciliation account and vendor down payment paid account. Okay, so that is not the vendor down payment paid account, it's a down payment paid account. And I will show you here, assign these down payments paid account and vendor reconciliation account in transaction code OBYR. Go to the transaction code OBYR. Okay. So see, Venki, special GL indicator indicates with A. Account type indicates with K. So K means what? Here, K means what? You can see the name is down payment. Okay. And then next one is down payment on current assets is also there. And then next, what we need to give here, a K and F on the payment request, right? So in the payment request also we need to assign these accounts only. Okay, yeah. So just go to this transaction, this name down payment. Double click on this down payment and give your chart of accounts. Here you can see account type is vendor, right? And special GL indicator is A, that is down payments on current assets. Here, whatever we have created that reconciliation account, you just need to give here. Okay. What is the vendor reconciliation account, right? Yeah, see. So why I have given long text? So we will come to know what is the exact account, that is whether it is a reconciliation account or whether it is a receive account, right? If we give the clear clear text, you will know. Okay, I'm giving here. So special GL, what we have created, down payment paid account, right? Yeah. Where is this one? Yeah, down payment paid to vendor. Okay, take out that one and go to the save button and save it. And here, go to the create request, and in the short description, assign down payment paid and vendor reconciliation account, okay, for vendor reconciliation account. Okay, then just go to the save button and save it. So changes have been made. The data was already saved. Okay, then go to the payment request. Why? Because here we are, we are giving the amount to the Tata groups. The amount is 5 lakhs. All right. So that needs to be recorded in the system. So for this only, there we need to have a payment request, right? So in that payment request, we are going to give the reconciliation account and also special GL account. Okay, so vendor reconciliation account you can just give, and special GL account, go to the drop down option and take out that option, down payment paid to the vendor. Okay, so go to the save button and save it. Here in down payment paid account and reconciliation account. Okay, for our Sara, Sara means our company. Go to the save button and save it. Just go back. Okay, so we are entering into the invoices. I will show you once again this one. Here we have configured all these 3 steps. Okay, then when it comes to the 4th step, what is that one? Down payment request transaction code F-47. Okay, so here give the transaction code F-47. Yes. So what is the key date here? 28/02/2022. Okay, then here give the reference. If you want to give the document number, you can give. So it's a demo server, right? It is not at all required to give that. So down payment request in the document header text. Okay, so whom we are paying, the vendor is there, right? And here take out that vendor. Who is our vendor? I think this is the vendor, right? I think so. No, all right. I think for company code, what we have given, for Sara company code, what we have given here. Yeah, this is our vendor for the company code, right? Yeah. So here in the target special GL indicator, just down payments on current assets. Why we need to take, this is a down payment, right? So that is why I'm taking A. Then just click on the enter option. Okay. No amount tolerance range entered for the company code Sara. Okay. Yeah. Okay. I'm going to the screen here. Okay. Go to the transaction code OB57. So see here, we have assigned tolerance group CH and we need to change this one. Sara is the tolerance group, and go to the save button and save. Then just go back to this option. Sorry, screen. Okay, then click on the enter. So in company code Sara, see here, the number range 17 is missing for the year 2021. Okay, I'm going to the open the next screen and go to the transaction code FBN1. Okay, so here I am giving Sara and click on the intervals. 17 is missing, right? So insert the line and give the 17 for the year what? 2021, right? And what is the last interval that we have given? 1000, 1001 to 1000 150. Okay, click on the enter and go to the save button and save. We have created the number range and we have solved this one. this error. Okay, so go to the screen and click on the enter. Yes. So how much we are paying the advance to the Tata group of companies. How much the amount is? I am taking 2 lakh. Okay, so due on in which date? 28/02/2022. Okay, and give the text. What is the text here? Down payment request. Okay, and click on the enter option. So here there is a no amount authorizations for customers, vendors in company code SARA. Okay, no amount authorization for. Okay. You can just click on this one or else. Okay, no issue here. 2 lakh rupee. No amount authorization. Okay, so copy this message. Okay, and go to the Google. So why I am sharing, showing you like this is, so you will know how to solve the error. Okay, so paste it here. Okay, and click on enter. Okay, so the next one is here. You can see no amount authorization for customers and also vendors. Here you can see when I am posting FB16, I'm getting the below error. No amount authorization for customers or vendors. Company code TPL1. Okay. And here, what you need to do. So the solution for my problem is tolerance group name. When we create the tolerance OBA0, OBA3, OBA4, so we should not give tolerance name except company code and description. Okay. So then just go to the another solution here. What is this one? Is the transaction code is there, right? Okay. Vendor master also checked and tolerance assigned to that. I don't know what is the actual problem. Okay, and amount authorization, right? Okay, so this is the a basic searching to solve the error. Okay, you can just go to this screen. I will show you. Okay, what is the transaction code for that one? Oh, I think so. Okay, no issue. We will check with transaction code XK02. Okay, and what is the vendor that we have given? Reka Makeup Party, right? I think so. Where is that Reka Makeup Party? Is that right? Click on all these options. Click on enter. I'll click on enter. Okay. So we have given that tolerance group here. Yeah. So we have given the tolerance group, right? Tolerance group for the vendor. Okay. Tolerance group for the SARA. I am taking this tolerance group for the SARA. Okay. And go to the save button and save it. Okay. Then just go back to this option. What is a screen here? Okay. Again, it is coming right, and just move this one. Okay. And 28/02/2022, keep this date, and this is your document creation, right? Okay, vendor is this one, and here we have given, click on the enter. Okay, and give the 2 lakh amount rupees and due on 28/02/2022. Okay, and text is sorry, here down payment request, right? On the enter. Okay, so the error is not coming. Why? Because we have already assigned, I mean, tolerance group for the vendor in the transaction code XK02. That is customer master, sorry, vendor master data. Okay, go to the document or else go to the save button and save it. Okay, 1001 was posted in company code SARE. We have raised the request, right? Then next one is what? Down payment posting F-48. We need to post that amount. What is how much amount? 2 lakh rupees is the amount, and we are buying the car for the 10 lakhs rupees, right? Yeah. I'm closing all these sessions. Okay. Go to the transaction code F-48. Okay. And here 280 sorry 02 to 2022. Okay. Here down payment posting is the header text, right? Down payment posting. You can just copy this one and here in the account only you can just give vendor account. What is the vendor account that we have? I think so 14 lakh, right? Okay, I can give. This is the account, right? Yes, in the special GL indicators, what we need to take down payments on current assets. Okay. And here, what is your bank account that we are going to deposit? I mean, vendor will get that, right? I mean, that amount will go from our account. That is, you can just take ICICI bank account on issue. How much amount? 2 lakh rupees is the amount, right? Okay, value date is 28/02/2022, and the text is down payment posting. Okay, and click on the enter. Okay, and give the here star button and here plus button and click on the enter. Okay, so 2 lakh is the amount. Go to the document and similar. So here see, you can just see posting key 29A is the debtor. Why? Because it is a down payment, right? So that is why in the posting keys, it is directly taking 29A. I mean, in the what we say general ledgers configurations, we have seen posting keys, right? That is OB41 posting keys. Let me show you that screen also. I mean, for your reference only, I am showing this one. Okay, so here see 29. Okay, special GL debit for the vendor. Okay, is it clear? Yeah, thank you so much. We have simulated the document, right? Okay, then go to the save button. Yeah, and here there is no item category assigned to account 200101 in the SAR1. Okay, then just click on this one. This is a document splitting error it is showing. Okay, yeah, classify GL account document splitting. Give your company code and here new entries. Here what is that account? 200101, right? And go to the account to 200101, and here there is a category. What is that category? That is an asset, right? I think so. Go to the save button and save it. Yeah, data was saved. Then just go back to this option. Okay, and go to the save button and save it. What is that document? Automatic postings or cancelled? Okay, no issue. Then click on the enter and save. There is no item category assigned to, and again it is showing error. Okay, you just need to cancel this document and then I mean fill all the data with refreshed one. Okay, and on payment posting, right? What is the account that we have taken? 14 lakh. What is the special GL indicator that we have taken? A, and go to the bank option. You can just take out the bank. ICICI Bank. Okay, amount is 2 lakh. 2 lakh rupees, right? Yeah, and 28/02/2022, and here give the text also, and click on the enter option. Okay, and give the star button, and here give the plus button and click on the enter. Okay, then go to the document option and simulate. Yeah, this is the thing that we are facing. Okay, to the save button and save it. See here, 752 was posted in company code. We are going to show you one thing, that is FPL 1N. Okay, and here open items is there, and you need to take the vendor account and go to the execute option. No items selected. So here there is no items. Why? Because we are not at all posted what is that vendor invoice, right? See here. Yeah, we are going to raise one vendor invoice. Okay, so these are the down payment requests only and down payment posts only. Okay, and the original invoice we are going to post. For how much we are going to post? 6 lakhs, sorry, 10 lakhs is the original amount, right? Okay, in the transaction code FP50, sorry, YB60, take out the vendor. I think 14 lakh is the vendor, right? And invoice date is 28/02/2022. Okay. And here give the special reference. How much is the reference? That is 8. Okay, you can give the 8. And 10 lakh rupee is the amount. This is 1 lakh, right? And we are doing 10. Here, purchasing car, Tata car. Okay. Here take out the GL account. What is a GL account? That is the raw material, right? So that is why we are taking raw material account. Here 10 lakh is the rupees. Okay. Then click on the enter, and here vendor 14 lakh is not defined in CHA. Oh, we need to change the company code, right? Yes, we are. And again, we need to give the all this data 14, and invoice data is 28, and is 8, and amount is 10 lakh. Don't worry. I mean, if you get all these errors, so I mean, it is a good for your mind only. Okay, to solve all these errors. So don't panic while you solving the errors. Okay, and click on the text. What is the text here? Purchasing Tata cars. Okay, and give the GL account. What is the GL account? Raw material account is a GL account, right? And 10 lakh rupees, and click on the enter. Okay, so 2 lakhs. See here, 2 lakh down payment on current assets existed. Okay, so we need to clear this 2 lakh amount. I will show you in the next step. Okay, then go to the simulate option, and we have simulated the document, and our what is that entry is Rekha account creator raw material data. Okay, so you can just see posting key is 40, right? And 31 is the credit. Okay, for the vendor. And if you want to see, you can just go back to the OB41, and you will learn what is the posting keys. Okay, so this is the best option in the SAP. Go to the save button, and here there is no item category assigned to account 200102. Okay, again this is a document splitting error. Okay, and click on the splitting errors. Okay, 200102. Go to the new entries. 200102. 200102. Okay, here the category is asset, right? Yeah, and go to the save button and save it. Okay, so we have saved the data and just go back. I think it will work. I don't think so. Okay. Okay. 602 was posted in company code SARA. Okay. So now we can see in the transaction code FBL 1N line item display of the customer. Sorry, vendor. Okay. Go to the execute option. See here 1 lakh is there, right? So we will clear. Okay. Sorry, 10 lakhs we have posted and we are going to clear the vendor down payment that we have seen. What we say when we were posted this invoice in the transaction code FP60. Okay. Go to the transaction code F-54 down payment clearing. Okay. F-54. So here 2802-2022. Okay. What is the document header text here? Clearing down payment. And account is what? Vendor account. We are clearing one vendor, that is Reka Makeup Party, right? Yeah, take out that one. So there is an invoice on physical here and assignment, no issue. Go to the process open items. See here, this is a purchasing documents and the item order WBS element work breakdown structure element. It will we can call it as. I will come to that work breakdown structures, orders and all. Okay, so this is a advanced level classes, right? We can just here transfer posting. We can do double click on this transfer posting. Okay, so this is the payment, down payment that we are clearing to the vendor. Okay, go to the document and simulate. Okay, so this is the exact entry. You can just see Reka debtor to the Reka makeup party. Why? Because this is a down payment, right? So the entry will be like that only. Go to the save button and correct the marked items. It is showing one error. Okay, no issue. Go to the and we have to give the text, right? And clearing down payment. Okay. Then click on the enter. Okay, then just go back. We have cleared, right? And we have simulated and just go to the document splitting items clearing for clearing. Okay, no issue. Yes, so document 1002 was posted in company code SARA. We have cleared the down payment and we are buying that car for the 10 lakh rupees, right? And we have cleared the down payment to the vendor with 2 lakh rupees. The remaining amount is 8 lakh rupees. And we can just see the, what is the pending amount in the transaction code FPL1. Okay. So here, see, we have already cleared the down payment. Okay, 1002. Here the down payment is what? 2 lakh, right? Yeah, and the remaining amount is 8 lakh. We will just clear this amount. Okay. What is the transaction code F-53, right? See here, you can outgoing payment vendor transaction code F-53. Go to the transaction code F-53. How much amount? That is 2802-2022. All right. See, Venki, we are clearing with manually. Okay, when it comes to the automatic payment program, we can do as we can pay the amount to the vendor as much as we can. Okay, why? Because it is automatic payment program. So when we set up this automatic payment program, definitely those amounts will be transferred. I mean, in a very big amounts will be going to transfer to the vendor account. Here, clearing payment. Purchasing the car. Okay. So I'm not giving any brief text here. Clearing payment for purchasing the car. Okay. And we are clearing the amount from our bank account only. Okay. So take out the ICICI bank. Here, how much? 8 lakh is the amount, right? I think so. Value date is 28/02/2022. I mean, I'm showing you today we are going to pay that amount only. Okay. Why? Because I mean, you will set up one date for the vendor. I mean, on this day, I will clear all this amount. Okay. So no issue here. Give the text also. Give the text. What is the text here? Clearing payment. And take out the account. Who is your vendor? I think it will take some more time, right? So here I'm giving the and account type is K. K means what vendor, right? Then just go to the save button. Sorry, process open and process this one. See here. This is what down payment, right? And this is what exact amount, right? Okay. And the amount entered is 8 lakh and assigned is 8 lakh. Okay. Go to the document and simulate. Okay. So we are posting. Go to the save button and document splitting items for clearing SARA 60220210001 not found. Okay. So every time we get the document splitting error. Okay. I mean, when we discuss about the document splitting, so we will activate. I mean, till now, so we are going to inactivate this document splitting. So I'm going to this new session. I'm going to the transaction code SM30. Here I'm giving the table. What is the table? V underscore FAGL underscore SPLIT underscore ACT. Go to the maintain option. Here give your company code position, that is SA RA. Okay. And it is in an active status. You can just click on the inactive status and go to the save button and save it. Okay. Data was saved. Then just go back and go back to your screen. Here, go to the save button. What is this one? In correction, postings are cancelled. Okay. So here requested line items. Document splitting. Again, it is coming. Okay, no issue. We can just cancel this one and give the document. Give the document the text also, and here purchasing document also. We have given 200101, right? And what is that amount? 8 lakh rupees. Yes. What is the value date here? You can just give. And you will get the document splitting error. Why? Because we haven't configured this document splitting. So that is why you are getting the error. So that is why I have shown you how to deactivate the document splitting also. Okay. Go to the process open items. Okay. Give the document a simulate. Okay. So this is the exact view of this one. Go to the save button and save it. So we have saved this option. I will show you where we have cleared this item. Go to the FBL 1N. See, there is a cleared items, right? Let's just click on this one. Yeah. See, what is the KA? This is a down payment, right? And what is the KZ? We have cleared the amount for the vendor, right? How much? We have purchased the car for the 10 lakh rupees and we have paid the advance 2 lakh rupees and we have cleared the remaining amount with 8 lakh rupees, right? See here, clearing down payment, clearing payment for purchasing the car, purchasing the Tata cars. Okay, that is the invoice, right? Okay, so this is about the uh, down payments for the vendor. And next session, we will going to discuss about the down payments for the customer. So until, take care and